Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Arun Rajaram and I'm an orthopedic surgeon who specializes in sports medicine and arthroscopic surgery, primarily of the shoulder and the knee. And a little bit about me. So I'm a Jersey guy, born and raised. I grew up in Mount Olive Township in North Jersey, and I went down to George Washington University in DC for college and then stayed there for medical school as well. And then I went up to Yale University for my orthopedic surgery residency. And then I had an opportunity to do an orthopedic sports medicine fellowship down in Baylor in Houston. And such an amazing opportunity because I was able to be a team physician for all the professional sports in Houston. So I was one of the assistant team physicians for the Houston Texans football team, the Houston Rockets basketball team, Houston Astros baseball team, and then Houston Dynamo soccer team. So gained so much experience and just immersion type of world down there in professional sports to learn cutting edge techniques and be able to take care of people who perform at the highest level of human performance.